What's up YouTube, Designer7 here, and today I've started a new tutorial like series, and this is first series of many. So yeah, this tutorial is how to make a partner background. This will be in 4 parts at the moment, maybe more, maybe less, not too sure yet. So let's get straight into this. So I'm gonna first of all open up Photoshop and open up this template. I'll leave a template link in the description. This is Stratz's YouTube layout from his 50k, I think, I'm not too sure. So yeah, let's get straight into it. See this partner box at the top? Just unmark it by clicking on the eye, and then go in File, Open. Now I'm gonna get an abstract render from Sen's GFX pack. I'm going to use this green one. Just drag it in, and then, oops, here, drop my keyboard, and then Control T, and then put whatever size you want. I'm going to put it in the middle up top, drag it out a bit, like so, and then drag it down like so. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, like that. And you see some people changing their background, like they're having their background black, and then like at the bottom down here it's just like there's a fade. Like there's 2 ways you can get around this. You can either get your brush tool, put it on a soft brush and put it to around 500, and then just go like that, or you can get the fade, put the fade on, click on it, go color overlay, and change that to black, and click Control T, and drag it up so like it fades, like so, which is quite nice. You can either do that or the other way, it's your choice really. So I'm gonna do it the other way, but just simply going like so. So now, next we want to put some wires in, so I'll leave these in the description as well. I'm being very generous. There's 3 wires we're going to use, so open them all. So get the last one, the wire, drag it in, then click Control T, and we'll resize it a bit, like so. Drag it up, resize it a bit more, like so. And then go Edit, Puppet Warp, and then just set markers on each one, and drag it in, like so. So it's like got a bend in it, like so. Then click Alt J, Edit, Transform, Flip horizontally, and just put it on the other side. Let's see whereabouts this is. So yeah. Yep, that's quite good. So I gotta pause this a sec. I'll just be back in about 4 minutes. So yeah, BRB. What's up YouTube, I'm back, and let's get carried on. I don't want this green, so I'm just going to change the colour by going Adjustments, Image Adjustments, Black and White. Okay. Image Adjustments, Photo Filter, and I'm going to change it to a bluey. Like so. Put the density up to 100, like so. And go back to the wires. I'm just going to merge them together by holding Shift and selecting both, and then go right click, merge layers, and go Image Adjustments, Photo Filler, and then change it to blue. You can use whatever colour you want, this is just a colour for the tutorial. So I'm going to put a couple more wires in, so I'm going to put this wire in here, layer 2, copy 8. So get your marquee tool, drag it over, then click on Control C, go onto your template and click Control V. Then click Control T and it should be here. rotate it again, like so, make it a bit smaller, drag it up, gonna pull it about down a bit, like so, and I'm gonna pull it under the other wires so it like goes behind. I'm gonna push it in a bit, and I'm gonna go image, adjustments, photo filler, and have another blue. Alt J, edit, transform, flip horizontally, Control T, just push it into there, and now let's put one more wire on it. What wire am I going to use? I'm going to use this wire, so I'm going to move my box down here, Control C, go into background, Control V, Control T, change the angle of it, make it a bit smaller, and pull it just there. I'm going to put that under them all again, Alt J, edit, transform, oopsie, edit, transform, flip horizontally. I'm going to put that one there, just push it in a bit, like so. Now I'm going to merge them together, image, adjustments, photo filter, blue, density 100, like so. Let's see how we're doing for time. Got about 3 more minutes, so I'm just gonna merge them together like so. So now we're gonna like do some text. So I'm gonna open up a text template I already have, which I'll leave in the description as well. It's Matty Desasa, I can't pronounce his name properly. It's his text template. I'm gonna change the colour by just double clicking on the material and going colour, and then changing it to a blue. On this one I'm gonna make it go say my YouTube Designer7, because I'm looking in to use a background like this once I get my partnership. So I'm just going to Control C, Control V, save, PNG, alpha channel selected, save it to where you want. I'm going to save it to my desktop, which it's easier to find. I'm going to go Effect, Ambient Occlusion, 140 by 60. I'm going to drag it back. Just going to put a little lighting in there, so I'm going to put a plane in it. Put 9999999 by 9999999. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to, oopsie, wrong one. Plane, and I'm going to drag the plane down. Just going to change the angle. Put a light up there. Put a ray. Actually, I'm not going to put an array. Just going to keep it like so. Now render it out. Oopsie, I forgot to do something, so I'm just going to cancel that. You have to put the plane proper below it. I'm just going to put the plane above it in this. Actually, I'm not going to put the plane in it. Just going to keep it light, but now render it out. How we did. Put time, just rendering. Okay, so that's rendered. Go back to your Photoshop, your file. Oopsie, I browsed in Bridge. That'll take a long time to open. I'm going to go to desktop, open up the text. Now my computer's going to lag. Yep, so drag it in, go edit, transform, rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise, put it above all the things. Control T, resize it a bit, like so. Alt J, edit, transform, rotate 180. Just going to put that out there. Just going to quickly duplicate that layer. Go Control T, rotate it a bit. Drag it out. Put it underneath the other layer. And change the opacity down. I'm going to use around 30. I'm going to Alt J it, I'm going to edit, transform, rotate 180 and just put it the other side, like so. So this has been part 1 of how to create a partner background. Please subscribe, like and comment for more tutorials and stuff. It's been Designer7 with part 1, D7, peace.